Hi, welcome to Model Marvels and the final instalment of our 3D printed D90. These were the plates for the axles, and here they are fitted and a pretty much finished D90 pickup. It's been a really fun and interesting build. As a scale model it's fantastic, and I'd say as a radio control model it sits right between a full-on rock crawler and a toy grade remote control car. You can see it struggling a little on the test track here because the tyres haven't been glued on to the rims. We're looking forward to building another model, mainly because we treated this one as sort of a test bed and we are rushing through it to try and get these videos out to you. One of the major drawbacks, other than having to print the non-PLA parts, is the printed wheels are 10mm hexes, which means aftermarket 12mm standard hex wheels won't fit. Anyway, thanks for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this build series. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of the running video. Bye!